Alright, next platform is WordPress.com. So let's go ahead and click on Getting Started here and enter our email address and Jam Parks Testing. And this password field is interesting. You actually have to click on hide to have it hide your password, which is ridiculous and not a good security feature at all, because you could accidentally type your password with somebody sitting over your shoulder and see that, and that's not good. So alrighty, and then basically WordPress.com has a free option, then it also has paid options, as well as you can download the WordPress code base and host it yourself, which is a huge plus. And you can actually host WordPress on a lot of different platforms like GoDaddy or 1&1 or Media Temple or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and create the blog. I'll check your email to complete the registration. So here we go. Activate blog. And here we go, blog title. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep that tagline. This WordPress.com site is the cat's pajamas. That's fantastic. All right. So, choosing a theme, it gives you some good options up front. So let's go ahead and find something that is going to be professional looking. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the first one there. That actually is really nice. So, customize Titan. So let's customize our theme. Static front page. Settings, set title and tagline. And it's not going to be easy to add in our logo at all. Oh, that's kind of interesting. That's an actual mini version of your site that's fully functional down there. That's really cool. Alrighty. So let's go to the next step and create our first post. So first, doesn't look like WordPress allows in their free version, or at least in this interface, to add in just static HTML for your post. So let's pull up our lorem ipsum here and drop that right in. And tags test, testing, that's post 1. Let's insert a photo for good measure. And see how the photo editor works. That's kind of neat. And then float it right, why not? And then here's all these different things, title and the alternative text and your caption. And there we go. So let's publish that post. And here's our dashboard. So freshly pressed. That looks like other people's stuff. My activity. Okay. So let's see here. Let's see if we can't get HTML working. Oh, there's a kitchen sink. So we have a whole bunch of different heading options here. So let's go ahead and, yep, we still have our lorem ipsum text here. So let's grab this and style it up. Put that in bold. Put those in italics. Why not? There's a symbol, and let's go ahead and make that gray. Oh, that's almost black. There's gray text. And bold it for good measure. Put in a link. That doesn't want a link there. That's interesting. And try indenting this section down here. Cool. Let's publish the post. And here's how our blog is coming together. Not too bad so far. First thing is the logo, and getting the logo into the header is going to be really difficult, unfortunately, just because WordPress doesn't support, and a lot of the themes having an image as a in the header. But there are a lot of themes available for free that would have that support baked right in. So the different pages and different categories look like they pop up at the top. So let's head back in and see if I can't set up a new page. There's a notification section. Here we go. Now this is interesting. Blog admin. There we go. This is what I'm more familiar with for the interface for WordPress. Cool. So here's all our posts. I wonder if we can add a new post from here with the HTML. I believe we can. So here's the text interface. I've been able to drop stuff into here that's pure HTML before. So HTML post. Let's try that. And then uncategorize, we can add a new category right here. And then tag it. And then let's go ahead and publish. And see what it does. Neat. So that's probably the best that we've seen anything take the pre-built style guide, I'd say. So let's go ahead and head back to our dashboard and start taking a look at some other stuff. So let's see if we have theme options in here. Oh, neat. So here's our header. Maybe we can get our image into the header. That's to the edge. Let's try the padded one. I bet that'll work better. Oh wow, this is kind of interesting. It's only allowing a specific aspect ratio. So let's just try that. Why not? It has to be exactly 960 by 180 pixels for the logo. So let's go ahead and remove that. That's actually just going to be for the background right here that it's wanting. So now that's too bad. Let's try theme options. Oh, neat. It has navigation options and the homepage notices. It's got widgets that we can add to the right sidebar. So there's our archives. And blog stats. Why not? As we are modifying it, we can come in here and see our archives and our blog stats. And there's our notice that we added. Let's take a look at adding a page. So that's going to be in the pages section, and we'll come over to add new page. Same content editor as before. And we're in the text section, so let's pop back over to this and make this a list. Why not? And publish that. It should automatically show up on this guy as a testing new page. There we go. All right. Comments has full comment support. Links can have a small links database that you support. Or your media library of everything that you're uploading, which is really easy to use. It has very granular control over users. You can set up a lot of different users and user accounts. And the different settings on this, you have a lot of different control over administrative email addresses and the like. And then we even have control for uploading an icon for your blog over here to show up on WordPress.com. So let's see, go back to our list and see what metrics we have yet to check out. So ease of registration, HTML, element style control, WYSIWYG editor, page and CMS support, quality of templates, category and tag support, ability to host at a custom domain, overall customization, usability, exporting data and plugins, and extensibility. Let's take a look at exporting the data from this actually. There we go. And we can export all the data from the tool directly within this. So let's grade it. I think we're ready. Registration was easy. However, I'm going to knock it down to a B because of that showing of the password. HTML and posts has full support for that. Styling element control, I'm going to give that an A because they're within their editor. It's very easy to modify. WYSIWYG, also an A, very easy and intuitive. Page and content management support has full support for that. Image support, give that an A. We were able to add it in, size it, and float it. Category and tag support has both. Plugin support, this one is kind of a yes and a no, and I'm going to say yes on this because if you host this yourself, you have full support to add in WordPress plugins. Or if you have a hosted solution with WordPress, you'll have the options for WordPress plugins as well. So overall customization, you can do a lot with it. Usability is very easy. And the data export is very exposed right underneath tools. So you can also import it very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and give WordPress an overall grade of an A. So that concludes that.